In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your PFP chess.com. Your profile picture is one of the first things other players notice when they view your account. Whether you're participating in competitive tournaments, playing casual games with friends, or simply exploring the chess.com community, having a personalized profile image can help make your account feel more unique and recognizable. If you're currently using the default avatar and would like to update it with your own image, this tutorial will walk you through the entire process. To get started, open your preferred web browser and visit the chess.com website. Once the page loads, make sure you're signed into the account where you'd like to change your profile picture. After logging in, you'll be taken to the main dashboard of the platform. Next, direct your attention to the left side of the screen. Near the bottom of the sidebar, you'll find a gear-shaped settings icon. Click on this icon to open the Quick Settings menu, which provides access to several account customization options. When the menu appears, look for the option labeled All Settings. Select it to open the full Account Settings page. This area contains a wide range of controls that allow you to customize different aspects of your chess.com experience. Once the settings page has loaded, you'll notice a list of categories displayed along the side of the screen. Locate the section called Profile and click on it. This will open the page where your personal account information and profile settings can be managed. On the profile page, you'll see your current avatar displayed prominently. To update it, move your cursor over the existing profile picture. As you hover over the image, an icon resembling a camera with a plus symbol will appear. Click on this icon to open the Profile Picture Management window. Inside the Avatar Selection window, you'll find several available options. Look for the Upload button and select it. This will open your computer's file browser, allowing you to choose an image from your device. Browse through your folders and select the picture you'd like to use. Before uploading, make sure the image follows the platform's community guidelines and is appropriate for public display. Once you've chosen your file, confirm the selection and allow chess.com to process the upload. After the image has been uploaded, you should see your new profile picture appear on the screen. To finalize the update, scroll down and click Save. This ensures that your changes are applied to your account successfully. And that's all there is to it. Your new profile picture should now be visible throughout chess.com. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.